Hello guys, today I'm going to show you Huawei Y63 factory reset protection hide. You can't factory reset on recovery mode. Now I'm going to connect test point with tweezer, then connect PC. After connect PC, okay. Now we're going to open similar tool. Then continue. It will be take 1 minute, maybe 10 and 15 seconds. After connect, we go to the repair network, then disable Huawei ID, press OK and continue. After complete, our phone will be reboot. Okay, after reboot, our phone is formatting. As you can see, it will go format, then open, then we can set up our phone easily. Okay, our phone is open complete. Now setup, our work is done. Okay, connect Wi-Fi and setup. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my YouTube channel, the like, comment, share.